All right, what up, YouTube? It's your boy KERI, and we're back again with another video. So, I had to do this video like probably last week, but it was my birthday and I wasn't really in the mood to record. But yeah, it's my birthday, so see my first gift. Hmm. So, let's get right into the video. This video is probably about the payout I requested last week. I'm doing this video today, Wednesday, right? I received the payout today, Wednesday. I don't know why it took so long. If it's because it was my first payout or something with Alpha Capital, but yes, I did receive it today. I'm gonna add them some attachments to the video, and yeah, also before receiving that payout on Monday, I did pass one evaluation with Titan Capital, and on Tuesday, which was yesterday, I did pass my first evaluation with how this called it from QT Quanticale, even though they denied me about 2.2k payout, I think back in March. But yeah, still going to give it a shot with them and see how it goes. So let me give you guys the trade breakdown of the setup that probably passed my account. I think I was about the 1:5, 1:5. So yeah, let's get right into it. Okay, coming over to our goal chart, I start with my top down analysis. Went over to the 4 hour. The first thing I spotted was this 4 hour inefficiency, right? 4 hour inefficiency. Go down to the 1 hour. You can see this 4 hour also aligns with the 1 hour, right? So this was during New York. I think on Thursday during New York about the PM session. So I usually like to look for my setups on the 15. Coming down to the 15, you can see price came here, didn't take out this high, because as we all know, price won't always take out the highs and the lows like previous day. Like it won't always take it. There's some day where price go close to the previous lows or high and reverse. Same scenario here. Price came, rejected off that area, right, leaving me with the 15-minute inefficiency. 15-minute inefficiency right here. So my entry was off the 50% of this move and stops at this high. But the thing is, price didn't trigger me like the same day. I was targeting, if we take our fixed range volume profile, take it to this high, you can see wanted price to come maybe to this area, this low low volume. Okay, so coming down, you can see right here, if we take our this move started here, right, thing to here, you can see. So if we take out our fixed range volume profile, we can see this entry was also within the point of control and the value area, right? So this was my initial entry right here. But if we fast play price, you can see market open. This move right here triggered me, but because it's a candidate market open with, I got stopped out with another firm. I won't mention the firm's name, but I did get stopped out with that firm. The other accounts were intact, good. They even triggered me somewhere around this area right here, reducing the risk, increasing the RR. So as soon as price came down, right, let's just fast play price a bit. Okay, as soon as price came down and took out this low, I went break even, which price came back and stopped me at break even with this wick right here. Price came back, stopped me at break even. So since we're still like the New York, Asia, right? I just waited. As soon as I saw this move, I knew that this was a move because it was still reacting off this my initial area, right? It was still reacting off my area of interest. Price never broke past the area of interest. So I knew that maybe this was the move right here. You know the usual 50% inefficiency, 50%, even if we take out because even at the time 50% inefficiency. You know that stops, I like my stops at the 5 minute, at the 5 minute candle closure high. So my entry was here, stops were at this high right here. How about this 7-point stops? Then my take profit was at this area right here. All right, this was my stop loss and my take profit, my bad. So this was the trade right here. Took the setup. You can see price came back, tapped in, when a bit over 50% mitigation, right, and completely dropped, as you can see right here. I went break even here before I went to bed. I put break even, same stops at break even around here. When price took out this low, went break even, went to bed. Waking up, was already take profit in. You can see right here 660 reward for this setup. Took most of my accounts up and passed 2 of the accounts, but since I passed the phase 1 like just a week before, minimum trading days, so I had to pass it this week by completing the 2 and 3 minimum trading days across the different firms which I'm initially funded. And also today I did get my payout, right? So let me show you guys the payout since we're basically done with the breakdown of this video. Okay, so coming over to my Rise right here, you can see to my email. This was the email I received from Rise earlier today, right? So I withdrew it to my Kraken. So this is the funds right here. I plan to save up, because trading lately I haven't been saving up or anything. I'll just withdraw the cash, buy some evaluations, because right now I think I have about 20 plus evaluations, right? 4 funded, 4 to 5, I think yes, about 5 in phase 2 and the rest are still in phase 1, because I don't really take those accounts, all of them at the same time. It's really stressful managing all of those accounts without like using a software to copy trade. So I plan to start saving some of the payouts I get with the prop firm, since I basically have I basically get cash that could like keep me up, maybe with feeding and everything. So there's no need for me to keep spending this or buying more evaluations, right? It's best I trade the evaluations I have right now and blue the ones that I have right now. Even though I purchased 2 evaluations today with MQT, right? I haven't gotten a payout with them yet. Hopefully I do, because I'm currently in a trade on gold right now, shorts, right? If the trade goes well, the next 2 weeks I'll be able to request a payout with them. But for now, I'm just aiming to pass the evaluations I have right now, because that will give me more capital, as I'm aiming for 6 figures. I'm currently still at 5 figures and I'm aiming for 6. I know more capital means less risks and more money in the bank. So yeah, I really aim to get funded with funding pips and alpha capital group with higher balance. So yeah, that's basically it for this video, guys. I'm gonna update you guys with the accounts trading with, the two accounts I got funded with. I haven't started trading with them yet, but yeah, I'm gonna start in a bit and I'm gonna update you guys if I'm gonna blow it or make profits for withdrawal. So see you guys in the next one. Peace out.